Okay, now it's the game of scanning. What I'm going to do, I'm going to read the question, I'll give you the clue word, and you have to scan all the passage to find the answers. And remember, answers are not in order, okay? Question number 1. Reference to, I'm not reading articles. In IELTS listening and IELTS reading, never read article. A, and, the, some, and all that. Reference to exchange of expertise between different sports. Underline exchange of expertise. Underline different sports. Now look here. Look here. Look for a paragraph where they talk about 2 to 3 sports. Cricket, hockey, badminton, right? Exchange of expertise between different sports. Start from paragraph A, B, C. Look for different sports. Paragraph B, B for boy. AIS scientists work across a number of sports, applying skills learned in one, such as building muscle strength in golfers. It's one sport. 2 others such as swimming. Swimming is another sport. And squash. So how many sports? 3 sports. And what is the question? A reference to exchange of expertise between different sports. Got it? Now for different sports, they talked about 3 sports. And for exchange of expertise, what is exchange of expertise? AIS scientists work across a number of sports, applying skills learned in one, such as, and all that. Okay, now please come to question number 2. Explanation. Now you will find an explanation of how visual imaging, underline visual imaging, look here. What is visual imaging? Making videos, taking pictures. Yeah, not presentation. Visual imaging means taking photos. So you will look for a paragraph where they talk about videos, pictures, video clips, and all that. Explanation of how visual imaging is employed in investigations. So paragraph C. Now where do they talk about? Can you see the word digital camera? Okay, paragraph C, last line. After full stop. It collects images from digital cameras running at 50 frames a second and breaks down each part of a swimmer's performance into factors that can be analyzed individually: stroke length, stroke frequency, average duration, and all that. What is question? Explanation of how visual imaging is employed in investigations. So they have explained, and what is visual imaging? They make videos, 30 frame per second or 50 frame per second, and employed in investigation. And what is investigation? Yeah, analyze, exactly. Got it? So this is how you have to do it. And if you do not understand the question, you will never find it. At the end, you will write any answer because you want to get rid of it. Question number 3, reason for narrowing the scope of research activity. Reason, a paragraph with a reason. Narrowing the scope of research activity. Now look for research activity. Go back to paragraph ABC. Research activity, reason for narrowing the scope. Okay, reason for narrowing the scope. Paragraph A, reasons for narrowing the scope. All right, look for research activity. What is that research activity? Yeah, what is the research activity? Okay, now can you see in paragraph B, they say AIS scientists work across a number of sports, applying skills and all that. So scientists are working means that is research activity, number 1. Number 2, reason for narrowing. Now come back, same paragraph, we go to third last line. They all focus on one aim. They all focus on one aim, and that is winning. We can't waste our time looking at eternal scientific questions that don't help the coach work with an athlete and improve performance, says Peter Fricker, Chief of Science at AIS. We can't do that. That is the reason. And what is there narrowing the research on one activity? That one activity is winning. Okay, question number 4. How some AIS ideas have been reproduced. You know it already. Other countries copied their ideas. How some AIS ideas have been reproduced. Paragraph F. And what is written there? Now everyone uses them. Now everyone uses them. And what's the statement? How some AIS ideas have been reproduced. And what are those ideas? Number 1 is copying that coolant lined jacket. And second one is altitude tent. Right? So how some AIS ideas have been reproduced. Reproduced means copied. Reproduced means copied. They talked about this copying ideas. So question number 4, answer is F. Note it down, okay, and just mark the location of each question. When you go back home, you can read it again, right? दिमाग खपाएं इसके साथ. Okay, question number 5. How obstacles to optimum achievement can be investigated? Obstacles, they will talk about problems to optimum achievement can be investigated, means how can we find the problems which are in optimum achievement, means success or maximum success. Go back to paragraph A, B, C, D. How obstacles to optimum achievement can be investigated. Okay. All right. Listen, you need to focus how obstacles to optimum achievement can be investigated. So, all right. Let's go to paragraph D for doctor. Take a look, says Mason, pulling out a sheet of data. He points the data on the swimming and all this. Now come to third line. Okay, why did he finish 35 hundredths of a second down? His turn times were 44 hundredths of a second behind the other guy, says Mason. If he can improve on his turns, he can do much better. This is the kind of accuracy that AIS scientist research is bringing to a range of sports. So what's the question? How obstacles... Now, what are the obstacles? If you just read back, take a look, says Mason, pulling out a sheet of data. I'm reading from the beginning. He points out the data on the swimmers in second and third place, which shows that the one who finished third actually swam faster. So why did he finish 35 hundredths of a second down? His turn times were 44 hundredths of a second behind the other guy. Now, these are just the reasons. Like his turn was this, his turn was that. And you know, they're using this thing. His turn time were 44 hundredths of a second. 44 hundredths of a second, it's just the time, the short time behind the other guy. So these are the reasons. He's mentioning obstacles or the problems. Optimum achievement. Now, what is optimum achievement? Read on. Says Mason, if he can improve on his turns, he can do much better. When he can do much better means he can achieve optimum success or he can have optimum achievement. So question number 5, answer is D for doctor. Okay, don't worry, it's gonna be fine. You know, actually reading is not this difficult in part 1. But anyways, let's just do it. Question number 6, overview of funded support of athletes. Now look here, fund. Fund means money, budget. So they will talk about money, budget, amount, funds. So funded support mean monetary support. Now go back and see overview of funded support of athletes. Option A. Why A? Exactly. Paragraph A, third last line. Another body, Australian Sport Commission, finance programs. Finance means funded support. Finances programs of excellence in a total of 96 sports for thousands of sportsmen. So, question number 6 answer is A. And what is the word for funded support? Finances. When you finance someone, it means you are providing them funded support. Question number 7. How performance requirements are calculated before an event? You've been through it already. How performance requirements are calculated before an event. For event, they may use that event. Go on. Okay, how performance requirements are calculated before an event. All right, please take a look at paragraph E for elephant. How performance requirements are calculated before an event. So option E, paragraph E, using data is complex business. Well, before a championship, what is championship? Event. Right, before a championship. How performance requirements are calculated. So, well before a championship, sports scientists and coaches start to prepare the athlete by developing a competition model. How performance requirements are calculated? They develop a competition model. Question number 7, answer is E. Okay? All right.